Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I don't know if this video is airing in the year 2020 or in the year 2021. If it's in the year 2021, let me just say, year 2020, I'm not going to miss you too much, but let's hope 2021 is much better. All right, let's get on with the Master Airscrew Stealth props for the Mavic Air 2. So you can see I have a set here, the blue ones, and I also have the orange ones. So Master Airscrew sent me blue and orange. And if you want to see what they look like on the Mavic Air 2, let me show you that right now. So I'm showing you some video footage of me filming the Mavic Air 2 with the blue props on and also with the orange props on. My personal favorite, I kind of like the blue ones a little bit better because it goes nice with the gray. Now this is the little box that contains your Master Airscrew foldable props, and inside of course you get 4 props, and those 4 props are in a bag, and you also get a safety guideline instruction sheet as well as Master Airscrew stickers. So now you're asking yourself, or probably asking me, but I really can't hear you through the camera, so you'll have to type a comment, why in the world would I buy these props over just the DJI ones that came with my drone? Well, let me tell you, as a guy, me, who has been using Master Airscrew props on all of my drones that they make them for several years now, I will say, A, I like the colors. B, the performance in my tiny little brain, the performance seems to be better than the OEM ones, you know, the DJI branded ones. They seem to be better. So I kind of like them, and whenever Master Airscrew sends me props for one of my drones, and I have all the DJI drones, I put them on and I leave them on the drone, and yeah, I'm usually quite happy. So let me tell you what Master Airscrew says about these props here. I'll put what they say right up here. So they say, if you buy our props and put them on your Mavic Air 2, you're going to get an increase of 8% longer flight time. You're going to get a -2 dB in sound, noise, sound. You're going to get an increased speed of 2 miles per hour. The props weigh less for some reason. They are 2.9% lighter than the OEM ones. It says if you are in sport mode, you will actually do better. If you put this thing in sport mode, you'll see an improved performance. What else do they have? They say improved safety because it makes your drone more visible because it's bright. Well, when they're spinning, you can see the colors when they're spinning. I'll show you that in a second. And improved durability, better materials than the DJI ones, so you can whack and hack these things and they should last. And of course they say they're 100% compatible. They are the normal, just like the DJI props, you know, you just put them on the motor and spin the motor and they lock in place. And besides the 2 colors I have here, they also come in red and black. So if you're wondering about, you know, the 2 dB less noise, I can tell you this. With Master Airscrew props, they also make props for RC airplanes too, but with Master Airscrew props, the sound difference is in the pitch. So as a human standing here listening to a drone, we hate it when the pitch is high because it's annoying and it makes us turn our head and go, what the heck is that? But when the pitch is low, lower pitch, we don't turn our heads because it just sounds like all the background noise that you hear in everyday life. So when they make the pitch on these things lower, you know, maybe you'll get away flying your drone without attracting as much attention. Here, don't take my word for it. Here, let me show you a little test I did. So what I do is I have this boom mic up here. It's a Rode boom mic, a very good quality one. And this is what my voice is coming through right now. The audio is recorded on it. So I took this drone and I put the DJI props on it. I flew it right here with this background, and then I put on the Master Airscrew props and flew it as well and recorded the sound. The mic was very, very close, so you're going to hear a difference in pitch. Check this out. Did you hear it? You should have heard that the DJI props sound a little higher pitch than the Master Airscrew props, which sound a little lower pitch. Less annoying, if you will. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, so, you know, Master Airscrew and me, Captain Drone, I say these give you a little bit more performance. Well, at least I think they do. I will say they don't give you anything less, that's for sure. And I took it outside in my backyard because it's really cold out and I didn't want to go out to the field today. And I flew it around. And any drone if you want to see if props are really good, first thing you look for is vibrations. There was no vibrations, and I was out in like sub-zero temperatures with these props on, flying it around my backyard and flying it up in the air, and yeah, it did well. Here's the video of that. Check this out. Right, I'm out here on a dull, cold winter day checking out the props. I put the blue ones on. Let's see. Let's see if my little Mavic Air 2 here flops all over. Oh, pretty stable, pretty stable. Very nice, very nice. Let's bring it up. Oh yeah, very nice. There we go. Take it forward. Looks really good. Looks really good. Take it over that. Woohoo. My backyard. Quite stable. If it was wonky or anything like that, it would be flopping all over the place and smashing into my fence and everything else. Let's bring it back past this tree. The obstacle avoidance will stop it if it gets close to anything, but yeah, it looks really good. Take it up and look at my chimney. There we go, the video is smooth, no vibrations, looks really good. Check out my neighborhood here. Wow. Winter is here, and it's cold. Alright, let's bring it on back down. And there we go. Looks good, looks good. Take it over to the landing pad. And plop it on down. Nice. Really good. So there you have it, the Master Airscrew props. If you'd like to get a set for your Mavic Air 2, so it doesn't look like everybody else's, like get different colors, obviously. Get something that works out well for you. Well, then the links are below, taking you right to where the props are, and you can check them out. They are not super cheap because, you know, Master Airscrew has to make a living selling props, so their props are high quality, and because they're high quality and all the R&D that goes into it, they have to charge, you know, a premium price. So that's why not everybody has really good props like this. But if you get the colored ones, then everybody's going to know you have the high premium props. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions on the props or anything like that, I've been using them for years on all the drones, so then just post your questions below. And as I said, the links are below to the Master Airscrew website. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and have a happy 2021. Bye.